Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for Beths Grammar School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Beths Grammar School was established in 1945 and is an all-boys grammar school in Bexley, southeast London. In 1995, the school was awarded Technology College status. In 2005, they were identified as one of the first high-performing specialist schools, and in 2006 took on a second specialism in languages. Following an outstanding Ofsted grading in 2007, Beths became, in 2008, a national support school. In 2009, the school added a third specialism to its portfolio as a leadership partner school. Languages offered by the school include Mandarin, French, German and Spanish, and the various opportunities that arise include visits to China. The school has a total of 1,602 students, with 192 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 8 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for Beths Grammar School is CEM Bexley selection tests. The specific areas tested are English, Maths, Verbal Reasoning and Non-Verbal Reasoning. There are 2 60-minute exams. The pass mark changes each year. In 2020, 216 was the selective score for entry. Each year, the top 180 students with the highest scores are guaranteed a place at their preferred Bexley school. In 2019, the top 180 applicants all scored over 246. The highest possible score is 280 and the lowest 140. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 11 Plus application.